Okay. In this module, we will discuss about what is matter, states of matter. States of matter are interchangeable arrangement of molecular space in solids, liquids and gases. Clear? Starting from one by one topics. See children, look around your room. What is here? So many things: doors, windows, books, copies, CDs, pen, pencil, tumblers, so many things are around us. All these things are made of different materials, such as books and copies are made up of paper, okay? CDs and bottles are made up of plastic, doors, windows are made up of glass, metal and wood. So, all these things are made up of different materials. Clear? Now, what is matter? What is matter? Matter has space, matter has weight. So, what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. I repeat, matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Okay. Then what are molecules? Molecules are the smallest substance in matter that can exist independently. And children, all the things are made up of molecules. For example, a drop of water is made up of molecules of water. So, this is clear. Then what is matter? One new word, what are molecules? Okay. Then states of matter. What are the different states of water? Solid, liquid and gas. What are the different states of matter? Solid, liquid and gas. Now, I will tell you one by one. What is solid? Children, hold your pencil or pen in your hand. What do you feel? It is hard. Why? Because it is solid. So, why it is hard? Because first, I will tell you about intermolecular space. See, the molecules in solid are very tightly packed. These are the molecules in solid. They are very tightly packed. There is no intermolecular space. So, in the solid, there is no intermolecular space and the molecules are very tightly packed. Clear? Yes, you can change the shape of your toys by applying the force on it. Clear? So, the molecules in solids are very tightly packed, there is no intermolecular space. Example, pen, pencil, this duster, these are the solids, we can't change the shape of this duster. Okay? So, but you can change by applying the force of your toys of rubber or plastic balls. Clear? So, what is the conclusion? What we will come to know that solid have a fixed shape, solid have a fixed volume. Clear? Solid have a fixed shape and fixed volume. Then next one is liquid. Observe this diagram. What is here? Too much space is here. These are the molecules in the liquid. Space is here. That means the molecule, the intermolecular space is present in the liquid. Okay? So, it can flow easily. There is a space, the molecules can flow easily. Can you hold the milk in your hand? Milk is a liquid, ink is a liquid. You can hold? No. Why? Because the molecules are very loosely packed. Okay, the molecules in liquid are very loosely packed. Example is milk, ink, water, cold drinks. These are the examples of the liquid. So, and liquid can take the, it is not fixed shape, it can take the shape of the container in which it is kept. Okay, see children, the water in your bottle, when you put it in the glass, it will take the shape of the glass. Clear? It will take the shape of the glass. And when you again put it in any other vessel, it will take the shape of that vessel. Okay? So, we will come to know that liquid have no fixed shape, liquid have a fixed volume, liquid can be poured, you can pour the liquid in the different containers, okay, and liquid can flow also. Third one is gas. Observe this diagram. There is too much space between the molecules of the gases. So, there is too much intermolecular space in the gases. So, gases can flow easily. Are you able to hold the gas in your hand? Means, are you able to hold the air in your hand or smoke in your hand? Whether we are not able to see the air, but we can see the smoke. So, these all are the gases. Gases can occupy the extra space, okay, because their molecules are very loosely packed. If the boy sitting in the last bench of your class applied the perfume and you are standing in front of the class, you are able to smell because the molecules are very loosely packed and they can flow easily, okay. And you can also, it also take up extra space, molecules also take up. If you will put the pump the air in the football, you are able to pump the air in the football again and again because it can take the space, extra space, and you can fill, you can pump more and more air into the football. So, more air can be filled into the same space. States of matter are interchangeable. What are the states of matter are interchangeable means? You already read that water has three states: water, water vapor and gas. What are the three states? Water, water vapor and gas. Now change the, turn the page, change your page, page number 194. You observe what diagram is given here. See this diagram, what is going on here? From this diagram, you will come to know that water on heating change into water vapor, okay, and then if you will cool it, it will again become the water. Then after, if you will freeze it, keep it in the freezer, it will become into ice. So, it will change into three different states: solid, liquid and gas. One form of matter can be changed into other form of water. Observe this diagram carefully. Okay. This is the ice tray given. When heating, it is becoming ice. Then again heating, becoming water vapor. Then next one, look here. Water is heating and then cooling. It will becoming the vapor, cooling, becoming again water, and then cooling. It is becoming, changing into ice. Now, one more experiment. Look at this diagram. Take a wax candle, light it and let it burn. What is happening here? Wax, after some time, solid wax melt and on getting heated, okay, it is changing the state, okay. Then one more experiment is here. Look at this diagram. This is a beaker half filled with water and we are putting some sugar into it. Are you able to see the sugar? No, because the molecules in the sugar liquid is, why you are not able to see? Because the molecules scatter throughout the water and occupy the empty space in between the molecules of water. This is why sugar seems to disappear when it is dissolved in water and sugar solution tastes sweet, okay. Sugar is a solute and here what is a solute? Sugar is a solute and water is the solvent, okay. So, these different things, sugar is soluble in water, sand is not soluble in water. Sugar soluble in water, taste is sweet, sugary solution will be there, and sand does not dissolve in water, salt also dissolve in water, okay. So, these are the different particles water which dissolves in water and or not dissolve. Three new words are here. Material. What is the meaning of the material? Material is anything that means substance that things can be made from. What is the meaning of molecules? Molecules are the tiny particles of matter that can exist independently. And one more new word, volume. Volume is the space occupied by solid, liquid or gas. I think all these things are clear for you. Read the lesson, okay, and try to understand this Keep watching the videos, write down the answers and come for correction.